Okay, so in today's video, we're going to look at how to test whether a number is divisible by 3. And it's a very easy test. I don't know who had time to figure this out. I'm sure they didn't test all the numbers, but I'm sure there's a very, very good explanation as to why this works. I'm sure, yeah, but anyway, so let's just take a look at it. It's a very cool test. I kind of like this test. So whenever I have a number, we can start with a really easy number. So obviously we all know that 3 will go into 12 without any remains. So 12 is divisible by 3. But how do we test it? So if we wanted to test it, the test is just taking the digits and adding them together. So 1 and 2. So 12, there's a 1, and I add 1 and 2. And that would give me a 3. And then I just ask, will 3 go into that number, in this number, in the answer, in the sum of, the digits combined? And the answer is yes. So 12, as expected, is divisible by 3. Something else we would know that is divisible by 3 is 99. You would probably know, just by looking at it, that 99 is divisible by 3. But if we wanted to run the test, all we do is we just add the digits together. So we say 9 plus 9, and I don't have enough fingers for that, but I think 9 plus 9 is 18. And does 3 go into 18? Yes, it does. So this will also be divisible by 3. If I wanted to take it a bit further, I could even go and do the 18 as 1 plus 8, and that would give me 9. And I would know that 3 obviously goes into 9 as well. So I can go as far as I want to go, but I mean the initial test, we all know that 3 goes into 18. Okay, so for the next one, this is a bit of a bigger number. So we don't really know. We might, if you look at it, then you might know, okay, well, 3 will go into 300, and there's 12, and we already tested 12, so we expect this to work. But let's just do the test anyway. So I just add all the digits together. I can just add do that. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is going to give me, well, I'll write it out. 3 plus 1 plus 2 will give me 6. And will 3 go into 6? Yes. So this whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, easy peasy. Let's take the next one. So I say 4 plus 1 plus 4. I just add the digits together. 4 plus, did I say 8? I don't know. Anyway, 4 plus 1 plus 8. So 4 plus 1 plus 8 is going to give me 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, just double check it. But 13 is not, 3 will not go into 13. 3 can go into 12. And it can go into 15, but it won't go into 13. So this number, 418, is unfortunately not divisible by 3. And it doesn't matter how big the numbers get, we can just do the same thing. So I do the same. I just say 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and 3 plus 7 is 10. So I know the answer here will be 20. And will 3 go into 20? No, 3 goes into, it can go into 18, and it can go into 21, but it will not go into 20 without remains. So this number is not divisible by 3. And the last one, I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can just add them together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. And I'm going to make it easy for myself, and I just know the 4 and the 6 is going to give me 10, and the 5 and the 2 and 3 is going to give me a 10, so I have a 20 and then a 1. So this is 21, and the question is, will 3 go into 21? Yes, it will. If I didn't know, then I could just do the further test as well and just say 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 will go into 3. So I know that this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is divisible by 3. Yeah, easy does it.